These minor calyx further divided into major calyx. Further divided into major calyx. So, from this papilla, urine introduced into minor calyx, then go to the for here. These types in small ruminants and in equine, we have what? A single papilla, a fused papilla. Here is a medulla is divided into pyramid. Each pyramid have separate papilla. Here we have fused medulla and we have a single fused papilla which is open into the pelvic crust or renal crust. Is clear? What really happened next? You know, in the case of cattle, there is no pelvic cavity. There is no pelvic cavity. So these minor or major calyx, actually what really happened in the case of cattle, this the entry of ureter. Ureter divide into branches, interior and posterior branches. So these branches directly communicate with the major calyx. So urine from papilla to the minor calyx to the major calyx to the direct interior or posterior branch of the ureter, and ureter go directly to the bladder. So point is that in the kidney of cattle there is no pelvic cavity. There is no pelvic cavity here. These type of kidneys of small animals, small ruminants and horse, next to the pelvic crust. Next to this pelvic crust is like this, a single papilla actually. So next to the pelvic crust, we have what? We have a big cavity. This is actually pelvic cavity. This is what? Pelvic cavity. This is what? Directly attached with ureter. Directly attached with. So from single papilla to pelvic crust to the pelvic cavity, directly introduced into the, because these structure, you know, minor, major calyx are these cavities, they are what? They are actually the part of ureter. They are actually the part of ureter. These tissue, cortex and medulla, they are the part of the parenchyma of the kidney. They are the part of the parenchyma of the kidney. That's clear. Look here now again carefully. Now you can understand what is the unilobar, multilobar and multilobar with lobulated surface. We have come to understand the condition is that we have cortex, medulla and renal are the part of the ureter. Renal cavity are the minor and major calyx. But in different animal the story is little different. If you are talking about small animal, dog and cat, we have what? Fuse cortex and fuse medulla with renal crust or pelvic crust with pelvic cavity. So such type of kidney actually known as unilobar. Such type of kidney is actually known as, they have a single lobe. They have a fused cortex, fused medulla and single fused papilla. Is clear? So they are actually unilobular with smooth surface. With externally if you talk about. So such kind of kidney present in which animal? Dog, cat, goat, sheep. Clear? Horse also. Okay? And next we have multilobar with smooth surface. Multilobar with such kind of kidney actually is the kidney of pig, because they have a fused cortex, but medulla is divided into pyramids and they also have a major and minor calyx. So this this structure, outerly they are, outerly they are smooth, and internally they have 1, 2, 3, 4, many lobes. The medulla is actually divided into lobes. The medulla is divided into, so that's why this is called multilobar kidney with smooth surface. Is the example is pig. If you are looking to the multilobar with lobulated surface, so that is the example of cattle. Why? Because externally this kidney is divided into many lobes by a fissure, and this lobulation continue into the internal side. This lobulation is continue into the cortex. Here the kidney, the cortex is not fused. In this species, cortex is not fused and medulla is also not fused, because each lobe have its own cortex and its own medulla. The difference between pig and two, the one difference is that they have a different outer surface. This have smooth, this have lobulated. The other is that they have fused cortex, they have lobulated cortex. There is no internal fully lobulation in pig. Lobulation up to the medulla is okay, but still the cortex of the pig is fused, a single cortex, but here we have separate cortex for each lobule and separate medulla for, is clear? So that's why this kidney will be known as multilobar, many lobes you have with lobulated surface. That's clear? So at the end, and also remember that the small ruminants like sheep, dog and cat do not have calyx. Do not have calyx. Point is that in the domestic animals, the kidneys have many variation in external and internal shapes. Okay? If you look about location, kidneys are retroperitoneal organs located on the floor of abdomen just beneath the both sides of the vertebral column of the lumbar region. Is clear? The second point is that if you look on the external surface, animal can be divided with smooth surface and lobulated surface. Same story, if you go internally, you will find some kidneys are divided internally into lobes, like the kidney of cattle, as some are internally fused. The cortex medulla are fused. Is clear? Any question up to here?